Hello YouTube family, it's Masunga, and today I'm going to show you how to cook chips mayai. Chips mayai is simply a Swahili word which means potato chips and eggs. Mayai means eggs. So chips mayai is street food in Tanzania. I know most of you don't know where Tanzania is. Tanzania is one of the countries in East Africa which is fully packaged. What I mean is, if you like tourism, it's full of tourism. You can go to Kilimanjaro mountain, the highest or the tallest mountain in Africa. You can go to Zanzibar Island, the most beautiful island in Africa, and these all are World Heritage Sites. You can go to Serengeti National Park. Serengeti National Park is the biggest safaris in Africa, if not in the world. I mean, it's in the world, I think. So, if you like beaches with white sand, it's full of beaches from north to south. That is Tanzania. If you like gold, you like minerals, it's full of gold. So today I'm going to show you one of the street foods which you can find everywhere in Tanzania when you go there, and it's chips mayai. Alright, let me show you the ingredients. Chips already fried chips. So you can buy chips at maybe McDonald's. You can buy chips and eggs. So for eggs, it depends on how much eggs you want in your chips, salt and oil. And it's always great to eat chips mayai with kachumbari, which means it's a salad. Tanzanian salad, which is onions, tomatoes, and peppers. Yeah, it's so yummy. So let's go straight to the cooking. Add some oil. And then next, add the chips. Spread the chips in there. So when you're waiting for the chips, the next step is to scramble the egg. Okay? Egg. So here is the egg, and then add some salt, some little salt to your taste. I think this will be enough. Check the taste if it's okay. Yes, it's perfect. So spread the potatoes and then pour the egg in. Wait it cook for a few minutes. Make sure that the egg is not burnt. other side. So it depends on how good you are in turning, but the easiest way to turn, just do this way, okay, this way, and then turn this way, on the other side. Okay, like this. Now you have to check it for, to make sure that it doesn't burn. You can see that everything is dry now. It's dry, it depends if you want it not well done, or it depends on how you want the egg. For me, I like it this way. So, wow, you can see how it looks. Okay, and then our chips is ready. It's ready to eat. Now it's ready. Okay, so I'm gonna eat with kachumbari. Ready? You can see it's ready. So now I'm going to eat. This is chips mayai. Okay, let's test. Man, it tastes amazing. So, now, please try to make chips mayai or chips and egg in a Tanzanian style. You won't regret it. Please subscribe, comment, and share my videos. It's me, Masunga John. Kwaheri, paalam, goodbye, Jane.